That smells like caca. This is our newer house, our newest house. We were in Medina, Broadview Heights before that, Northfield before this house. So I'm going to show you. Here's the front yard. I have a photo of the shrubberies. I'll add that to the video, what it looked like. Big giant ugly wall of pine, whatever that is, right there. That's the best looking one. We didn't cut it out yet because it has a nest in it. So we're gonna make this look a lot nicer. Curb appeal, if you will. And this is all stone. I'm gonna scrape the stone out and put this pile of mulch. Fill that, and fill all this with mulch. I'll pull out all these pine shrubs or whatever you call them, suffocating that tree right there, which is really pretty. I think I'm not gonna cut the roots out because I don't want to damage those roots of the nice tree, so I'll just cut them down to the ground. I don't think we're gonna plant anything else there, so I'll just cut them down and fill it with mulch. And here's the three. Here's this big pile of unattractive shrubbery, I call it. One was right there with a shovel as I tore that root out. This is the second root. And there's the third one. The second one had the roots going straight down, which made it difficult. Sandy said it looks like a tornado hit it. A tornado just aims for the shrubbery. That's how you do it. That takes care of the third root. That's cleaned up for now. I'm not going to put mulch in this until I have all that cleaned out. Got to take it to down the street. You can haul brush and garbage and stuff like that, so get rid of all this. We're at Smith Brothers and we're going to drop off some shrubs. Look at that mulch. A mountain of mulch. Look at that. Wow. No roots, please. If you're going to bring brush and shrubs and that kind of stuff, no roots. Oof. Because it's too tough on the machines, I guess, to mulch them down. Hey, somebody's at my spot. That's it. Just empty that load of brush and debris and leaves and twigs and everything else. Take it right here to Smith Brothers in Medina. Yes, sir. Now I can go back to the house and start cleaning up the yard and start doing mulch. This is how you prepare for the mulch. I just got back from the Smith Brothers, returned the truck, and now I'm laying down this fabric to keep the weeds from growing through. Well, fast forward, and this is how it came out. like next July, but wanted to show you how it all turned out. This is the cement patio we had put in. Our next video is going to show how we went about that and how the guys that came here and constructed this. The patio came out really nice. Well, if you made it this far into the video, you must have liked it, so how about subscribing and give us a thumbs up? It really helps the channel. And remember, we're going to show you the next video of how they made the cement patio. Really interesting. Take care now and have a good day.